Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some very pleasant and warm conditions across the region this morning, already up to 69 degrees as of 10 a.m. this morning. You're going to see highs today in the mid to upper 70s before a backdoor cold front moves through the region, cooling us down quickly this evening and seeing a cooler day for the end of the work week. We'll have good conditions in general today, no chance of lightning or precipitation. Winds will be fairly light out of the northwest until we see a surge in northeasterly winds late this evening. And that could have us go into wind advisory late this evening. But for the work hours today, good conditions. Our freezing level on this morning sounding at 10,200 feet. Winds out of the northwest around 20 knots in the low levels, and seeing our winds tick up just slightly out of the northwest at 34 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Current surface analysis, we do have a stationary boundary / frontal boundary across the region. It was a warm front moving through last night. It's going to return as a backdoor cold front this evening. That'll continue to move off the north slightly today and then back to the south later on today into the evening hours as a backdoor cold front. But overall, as I mentioned, good conditions for today. And taking a look at our satellite imagery, you can see here we do have mostly sunny skies currently across our region. Just seeing a bit of filtered sunshine with that cirrus cloudiness across the area. We'll continue to see good sky conditions for much of the day today before we see some clouds build in around 4,000 to 5,000 feet later this afternoon. And taking a look at the HRM model for the next day or two, you can see here good conditions today, mostly sunny skies in general, until we see those clouds build in later this afternoon, and then seeing some low cloud build in overnight as that backdoor cold front sags to the south, giving us low cloudiness throughout much of the day, especially the morning hours of Friday. Then should see that low cloud start to erode as we move in the afternoon hours as the cold front presses in from the west, and that backdoor cold front actually lifts back north towards the region, and that should allow us to see some of those low clouds move out of the area. And then into Saturday morning and Friday night into Saturday morning, going to see a cold front continue to move towards the region, giving us a chance of some showers. And as of right now, it looks like the HRM model is showing some showers by about 8 a.m. Saturday morning. Most of the guidance is showing this moving a little bit quicker and moving through the region during the overnight hours of Friday into Saturday. Taking a look at the HRM model, the European model, you can see here good conditions today. Backdoor cold front moves through for this evening. High pressure builds in from New England for tomorrow. And then we'll have that cold front pressing in late Friday, giving us a chance of some showers. A very slight chance of a thunderstorm Friday night to Saturday. And Saturday we'll have high pressure build in the region. Good conditions in general. And into Sunday, much the same. We'll have a system sliding south of the region on Sunday. It's going to give us, just in general, mostly cloudy skies with a good amount of mid and upper level cloudiness across the region. Slight chance we see a brief sprinkle on Sunday and Monday, but overall looks like we're going to stay dry. And then into early next week, we're going to see high pressure in control across our region before we see a cold front moving through for Wednesday. It looks like this is going to bring in some colder air across the region for the latter portion of next week. Could be seeing some lows in the 30s early next week across the peninsula, possibly not along the immediate coast here at Wallops, but inland could be seeing some cooler overnight lows for later next week. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll see a high today of around 76 degrees, a low tonight of 48, northwesterly winds for this morning into the afternoon hours, then turning northeasterly late this afternoon into the evening hours as that backdoor cold front moves through, 11 to 16, gusts to 23 knots. So can't rule out those gusts getting up to 25 knots, only a slight chance of that occurring. And then we'll see those northeasterly winds kind of slow down or die down around northeast at 7 to 12 knots overnight. We'll see the low cloud build in overnight as well, around 1,000 feet. So our terminal forecast is going to see VFR conditions today until we see that low cloud build in overnight around 1,000 feet. Our tides are running normal. And looking at Friday into Saturday, Friday overcast and mostly cloudy during the morning, becoming mostly to partly cloudy. And we'll see a slight chance of a shower by the evening hours, a high of 60 degrees. Friday night, cloudy with a chance of a shower, very slight chance of a thunderstorm, a low of 51. And for Saturday, overcast, a slight chance of a shower in the morning, becoming partly cloudy and warm during the afternoon, a high of 68 degrees. So yellow conditions for our rainfall for these three time periods here. However, these chances are fairly low. Best chance comes Friday night to Saturday around 40%. Other chances around 20%. And not going to see a lot of precipitation with these systems moving through. Most likely just a few sprinkles or a light rain shower moving through. Best chance we see some actual accumulating precipitation will be Friday night and Saturday. But right now it looks like we're only going to see about 1/10 of an inch of precipitation possible from this system. So not a lot of rainfall expected through Friday into Saturday. Could see some lower ceilings Friday night as well. So the next 7 days, we're to see the warmest temperatures today at 76, 60 for Friday with the cloudy and cooler conditions. Saturday we'll see temperatures warm with a northwesterly flow behind the cold front, a high of 68 degrees. Sunday we'll see cooler conditions once again with a little bit of a cooler high building in the region, with that system moving off to our south, giving us more mostly cloudy skies, highs in the lower 60s. Monday, very similar to Sunday, highs in the lower 60s, high 63, mostly partly cloudy skies. We'll see that 20% chance of a sprinkle Sunday night and Monday with that system moving to our south. And then for Tuesday to Wednesday, we'll see moderating conditions as that cold front approaches on Wednesday. High slides off the coast, seeing highs in the mid to upper 60s on Tuesday into Wednesday, with overnight low warming before that cold front moves through on Wednesday into the 50s. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.